So we're here at the Jungle Pool, and just behind me is Dover here and the Kids Club areas. Well, I'm able to during this open house, which you can see here. The open house is on Embarkation Day from 3 to 5 p.m. First place they have here is the studio. This is used by all of the different age groups. They play games in here, they play movies. They just generally have a fun time. When I'd walk in here and my kids are playing, they'd be having the time of their lives. Kids just sitting on the floor, watching whatever's going on, doing shows. They had a great time. As we walk from the studio space through the main lobby here of the Kids Club area. In this first space here, so this is for the 7 to 11 year olds. This is where my kids had fun last week on the Seascape, the hand washing station to make sure kids aren't spreading germs around. And you can see here they've got all sorts of video games. They've got a Nintendo Switch, they've got some Nintendo Labo games, Make, Play, Discover. They've got PlayStation 5s, PC games, they have foosball, drawing stations, more foosball. They've got an interactive digital display there that you can write on and whatnot. Literally anything you want, they've got it in here. Got bathrooms in here for the kids. So as we pass out of the juniors area, we'll head to the right here, the mini club. So next we'll go here in the mini club. This is for 3 to 6 year olds. I'll show you guys what's in here. Nice big bathroom space. Lots of drawing stations and coloring stations for the kids. Just beautiful open space. You can tell all sorts of fun they'd have in here. They've got some video games in here as well. See a Nintendo Switch over there. Some videos playing on the one screen. Lots of great seating for them. Incredible views of their surroundings as they're playing here on board in their club. Again, this space here is for the 3 to 6 year olds. And then to the right here, so the baby club here is for kids under 3. Thank you.
Hey y'all, if this video has been helpful for you, if you'd please take a quick moment to like and subscribe, it would mean the absolute world to me as I get started on this YouTube journey. With that out of the way, let's get back to it.
So you see here, this is a line for registration. Pro tip, you can actually pre-fill all your paperwork out, so when you get up there, all you have to do is drop it off. We did that last week. It saved a ton of time. So this is the teen club here on board the MSC Seashore. That space I was just in, Teens Club, is actually for 12 to 17 year olds. They've got 2 different signs because I guess they break the activities up into 2 different age groups, but they all share that same space. When we were on the Seascape last week, we all saw the teens coming and going, having an absolute blast in there. They're free to come and go as they please, but they've got activities for them not only in the Teen Club, but throughout the ship. So if you've got a 12 to 17 year old, that's their space. They have an absolute blast in there, and hope it's helpful for you to be able to see what they have.